As engineers, we're always interested in how you do things. What do the steps look like? What are the specifications? Right? How are we going to actually get it done? Well, in this week's Engineering Management Lessons video, I want to talk about why the why of things is just as important, if not more important, than the how. Let's do it. At EMI, we do a lot of leadership development programs, meaning we're constantly working with technical professionals to help them be better leaders. And I find that one of the things that engineers and other technical leaders struggle with is the ability to inspire their team members to stay engaged and follow a task all the way through. And the reason I believe this happens is because we're constantly communicating with our members how to do something. We're breaking down the task. It's almost like we're just focusing on the project management side, right? Think about your tasks and go through each one of them and get them done and do it this way and use this program. But we don't tend to tell them the why behind the task. That's what really moves people. The why moves people. The how helps them to get it done. But they're not going to be inspired and motivated to move on it and follow the how unless they understand why they're doing it, right? People want to know why they're doing things, not just what you want them to do. And so as you start to delegate more tasks to your team members, I want you to think about this. I want you to try to really move them, right? Give them that inspiration, give them that why. And I'll give you an example of this. If you're working for me and I tell you, hey, listen, I need you to do these roadway cross sections at these angles, go on CAD, use this template, do it this way. We need to generate a bunch of these cross sections by next week, right? Then you might say, okay, I'll do it, and you'll get in and you'll start doing it. But if I say to you, listen, we have to do some design work on this roadway, and by redesigning the roadway, we're going to save thousands of lives because of the number of accidents on this roadway, and here's how we're going to do it. Now you're going to be like, man, I'm excited. I want to do this. I want to save people's lives. So if you want to get better at delegating, motivating, inspiring people, you need to tell them the why behind what they're doing, not just how to do it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel here. We do put out videos like this on a weekly basis to help engineers become better managers and leaders. Oh, by the way, if you're trying to become a licensed engineer, we have two other YouTube channels, Pass the FE exam and Pass the PE exam, that can help you pass the licensing exams. So we look forward to continuing to help you be the absolute best engineering leader you can be. I'll see you next week.